Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's analyze Kaspa, see what is happening with the price of Kas, and of course, what is yet to come. If you're enjoying these Kaspa updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market, guys, I'm sure you guys can tell, the market is once again, not looking the best in terms of altcoins specifically. You're once again seeing a lag, second day in a row. And if you're looking at Bitcoin, you guys are probably like, this is just making no sense because Bitcoin is not looking as bad as you guys might think. And that is the truth. But Bitcoin dominance is the main thing that we need to be focusing on right now. So again, not a surprise. We are seeing pretty much a lot of red across the board. But let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa specifically. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at the price, sitting at 15.87 cents, so almost 16 cents for Kaspa. Down 4.8% in USD and BTC comparative with the market cap at almost $3.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at about $55.6 million. So we are seeing a retracement with Kaspa's price. Obviously, just 2 to 3 days ago, Kaspa once again was able to smash past an all-time high. What a fast recovery from that massive retracement that we're coming out of from April, and that is absolutely insane. Again, this is something we've been discussing on the channel. But let's take a look at what are some next targets and what we could be expecting as we do go further into the month of June. So looking at the BTC dominance, as mentioned earlier in the video, if we're looking at BTC right now, if you're analyzing the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not looking as bad as you guys might think. Bitcoin is pretty much holding stagnant where it was yesterday. Of course, we are below 70K. We know the importance of the 70K zone, and I think manipulation definitely occurred closing out Friday. Whales saw an opportunity, and again, this is always going to happen. This is not the first time. Let's pretty much take a look at in May, and pretty much even in March, we've seen this happening over and over again, and this is part of the market, part of the cycle, and you really need to get yourself used to it and understand how the market works. But due to this wick that we did see for BTC, we saw the dominance actually skyrocketing because dominance fell all the way down to 53.7%, and here we were starting to think, hey, is this a time where altcoins actually did start exploding? And we did see a lot of meme coins exploding. We did see a lot of coins exploding. Kaspa was one of them, but boom, in a snap of a finger, dominance skyrocketed. And again, this is a huge reason why we're seeing a little bit of a lag for some of the coins. But if we're looking at Kaspa right now, Kaspa is no exception at the end of the day, and I want you guys to realize this. I know people tend to think their coins are the most powerful one, and I understand. When I was new in the markets, I would think the same, but that's not the case, guys. Everything gets impacted with the price of Bitcoin no matter what. So like I said, just 2 days back we did see Kas hit a new all-time high. It wasn't able to get to 20 cents, of course, psychological price point, profit taking happening, and on top of that, market switching its overall momentum at the worst time, especially if you're a Kaspa holder. But again, what can you say? There's not a lot we can do, but as I predicted over the past weeks, that we are seeing a very similar pattern playing out. This upward trajectory, if you're noticing on the daily time frame, you see a run, a consolidation, a nice healthy retracement, a run, nice consolidation, and then once again a run. So the overall prediction that we did make, that did end up coming true. And literally look at it, as soon as we reclaimed back above this key resistance, things just went absolutely insane. But right now we're seeing a pullback. We went all the way down to the 61.8 fib zone support line at 15 cents. We know the significance of that support because there is a significant amount of support built up around there. We got literally right to there, and we are seeing the price picking up once again and chilling in the 0.50 fib zone. And again, very nice to see, because I want you guys to continue to remind yourself, we saw Kas running up almost 100% in less than a month, and right now we're seeing a retracement of about, you could say, 18% from its all-time high, which is totally okay. Let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame and really see if we're noticing anything. So this did happen pretty much for every single coin due to that sharp increase in dominance. We saw a huge liquidation that occurred yesterday, and again, Kaspa is no exception. literally went down here, and I'm very confident not a lot of people got in at this price, because you saw Kaspa really reclaiming the 38.2 instantly, but it made its way back down due to dominance picking up once again today. But we're being supported by the 0.50 fib zone, but so far so good. Even if we do see sideways momentum, which I don't think we will see, I am expecting that we will reclaim back into the 38.2, and then off we go into the 23.6, because Kaspa is showing a lot of momentum on its side right now. But even if we were to trade sideways in the 0.50 and build more support around here, strengthen the already support that we have, it's just absolutely amazing, because of course you don't want the price to be hanging around here. You want the price to be around these levels, and that is how I'm currently taking a look at it. And so far so good. I'm liking what I am seeing for Kaspa right now. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Where do you see Kaspa trading at the end of the month of June? Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.